Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Gage White, and I worked with these two guys on a project called Stoplight City. It is a playground that's going in by the Lloyd, and it is a $4 million project. We designed the playground actually that accepts the donations for that, or we designed the website that accepts the donations for that playground. So my teammate Christian Major and my other teammate Noah Lutz is going to tell you a little bit about their experience with that.
So, hi, my name's Christian, and I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about the senior project class, my thoughts coming into it, when we first sat down, and where it went from there. A lot of you may be nervous about the class. I surely was. I didn't know what I was getting into. I thought there was going to be a lot expected of me initially. But the thing is, what's great about it is you get fitted with a group of people who meet the project's requirements. So what's expected to build a project, you're going to be suited with some team members who will help you out and have that knowledge base to assist in building and making sure this project is a success. So if you come into it, don't be nervous about it, because you're going to be fitted into a spot that fits what you know and what you do. Given that, the whole experience from then on is great. It's a great value because you work with others and you work with a real client, and this is a project you can be really proud of because you build it from scratch and it's a real thing that will be used. And you gain valuable experience because you may have your own skill set, but you're most likely going to wear multiple masks and do other things that you weren't expected to. And so you grow as an individual and you grow in your skill sets. And knowing that, there's one thing I would like to say from a CIS perspective is that you really, when you go into this class, the one thing that really helped me out is a class called Systems Analysis and Design. If you take that class, keep that book because it is very invaluable for this and it will help you out in your documentation. From here, I'm going to pass it on to Noah so he can discuss his experience and how he worked with us and how he overall values the project.
So I'm Noah. Like Christian said, there's a lot in this class that you don't do in other classes. You're meeting with a client. It's a lot more real world feels. So really that I think was the best part about this, is being able to work with a team as if we were a company almost, performing for a client and trying to get everything that the client wanted in a short span of time too, which makes things a little more stressful, but it also helps create a sense of that you need to get something done within a certain amount of time and have a deadline for it. So like in the past, I've always kind of gone into a class thinking of the teacher as the client, but it's a little different having an actual client where you don't know the exact outcome of the project or the product that you're producing. You don't know exactly what's going to happen. There were a lot of times where things changed halfway through that we weren't expecting to, and we just kind of had to roll with the punches and find different ways of doing things, and we would get asked to do something different, or we would find something ourselves that we thought would be cool to integrate and do that. So a lot of change that happens throughout the semester for the project. Doesn't always end how you thought it would at the beginning, but it always, for us at least, it seemed to work out really well. So, like Christian said earlier, you get put into a group that already has a certain amount of skill set, and it's usually created in a way where you know you're going to finish the project because everybody putting their skills together has the ability to finish it. However, you're still going to be learning new stuff. We went into this, I knew a little bit of WordPress, which is the main tool that we use to create this site, but nobody else really did. And even though I knew a little bit, I still learned a ton about it, and everybody else learned from it as well. So now we have more skills that we can use in the future. So it's just a really good real life experience, but in a classroom environment.
All right, so thanks for watching us here. For any CIS students looking forward to this class, it's a great experience. You're going to learn a bunch of new stuff, and you're going to get to work with some great people. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.